Hello, welcome to Moorpark City Library. My name is Carol, and today I'm going to show you how to make a paintbrush out of a toilet paper roll. The first thing you want to do is make your brush pieces. So you're just going to cut all the way around your toilet paper roll, nice little fringes, just like this. And you can just kind of eyeball it and aim to get a little bit of space there. When you're done cutting, you can just fluff it out just like that, all the way around. So it's ready to start painting. So the first thing you want to do is have a palette. I used tin foil wrapped around a piece of cardboard. I just put a little paint on there. And I like to spread it out a little bit so you can get your paintbrush in there. Take a little paint and dab it anywhere you like it. No rhyme or reason, just go where it feels good to you. I chose 3 different colors for the 4th of July theme. It's always fun just to experiment with your colors and see what happens. And again, I'm just dabbing any way that feels good to me. And then I chose a lighter shade of blue to kind of top it off so that there's a little definition. Just gonna dab it again, anywhere you like. And there we have your nice little paintbrush out of a toilet paper roll, and voila, enjoy.